Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So we're answering a Facebook group question. Somebody's asking, how do I get people to subscribe to my newsletter through Brilliant Directories and get them to appear in a smart list? So first of all, you do have a newsletter feature that you can add to the footer. Let's just see if we can find this together. If we go into settings and design settings, currently, I don't see that it's added just on this demo site. So we're just going to go into design settings. We're going to look at the footer design, and then we're going to scroll down. And at the moment, it says hide footer newsletter. So we're going to put to display it. So we'll save that. And then when we go back to the main website and we refresh, hopefully now when we go down to the footer, we see this section here. And you can see that when you press that, it brings up a pop-up that appears, allowing the person to put their name and their email address in. Now, if you started off with a default directory, then when you go into your section just here, where it's emails and then send newsletter, now I've just got a newsletter in here. I'm going to edit it and just show you a section just within here. You've got your 4 tabs when you create your newsletter to send out to your people that are subscribed to your website, or any news, any emails that you want to send in bulk to your members, regardless of whether it's a newsletter or maybe it's an upgrade prompt, or maybe it's just some information that you might find some of your users might find useful. But when you go to select recipient, you have got a section just here where it should automatically start collecting people that fill out that form. So at the moment, you see here newsletter subscribers is just at 1. But if somebody submits that form, this form just on the front here, then that will change. That will go up to 2, 3, 4. So that will automatically go up and up. So your smart list has already been created as default as part of your Brilliant Directories website. And that's where you can find it there within your newsletters that you're probably going to be sending your newsletters through. You can also check smart lists if you go to my members, smart lists and tags, and then you can go and see sort of who, where these members are on that. So you can see newsletter subscribers. We've got 1 just here. The list size is just 1. So we can click on that 1 and we can see who that is. Now, I do believe you can export the current results as well. So if there were hundreds and hundreds and you wanted to export that list of users that have subscribed, that signed up to your newsletter, then you can do that from that section just there as well. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. But that is how you add a newsletter section to the bottom of your website, just right here, creating that pop-up modal. And then also how you can locate smart lists within the back of the website. So thanks for watching.